Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you taking the time to check it out. We got a paint session for you today. We're going to be doing what I call the Glimmer Craw. It's a real old pattern that I've done for a long time and never showed anybody how to do it. Come check it out. We're going to spray some paint. All right, let's break down this Glimmer Craw for you. We're going to be starting off with a transparent orange. And I'm using an auto air transparent, thinned up just a little bit with 4011 just to get it to flow. Some of my paints are getting a little bit older, and as they age, like the rest of us, we get a little bit thicker. Anybody out there can give me an amen on that? Getting a little bit thicker. I've got 3 of these to do for my customer out of New York. So hope Mark likes these. This is a cool pattern. I really can't believe I have never done this one on my new YouTube channel. This is one of my really old patterns that I used to do all the time. Kind of like some of the others I've talked about in recent videos. We'll give it a little heat set. All right, next color we're going to throw down is just a transparent red, and we're going to go all straight down the top and the sides of this bait. Pretty simple. You know, you could make it a little more elaborate if you had your crawl pattern already on here and you just wanted to detail your crawl plates. But again, this is kind of a beginner's crawl pattern. It's the way we're kind of terming this one. So we're just going to come right down the midline of that bait and leave some orange toward the belly. It's going to kind of follow the contours of this bait. Pretty simple. But what we're going to do is just line that up and work on the bottom edge of that where it'll fade up. And then we'll just spray through these. I don't know, that guy, he kind of gave me a little freedom on crawl plates, so but before I do the black, I need to dust this bait with, we're going to come over it with a little iridescent orange. Now we're just dusting this bait, or excuse me, iridescent red. And that is going to give that a totally different appearance. It puts just a little bit on that black, a little bit of a purple hue to it. I don't know if you're picking that up in the camera, but that's what we get. Now we'll come back down our back with some black, tie it all in. Yeah, just about the right amount of black down the sides. Our last color, just need a few drops, we're going to highlight the top of that bait with a little blue. Nice. Now I'm going to come back over that with just a real thin strip You're grabbing the wrong brush. A real thin strip of black right down the center of the back. We'll let the compressor quit running. We have the Glimmer Craw. Not sure how well the camera's picking up the different colors in this particular bait, but that iridescent red is something different that you just don't see. I use it on several different patterns that are kind of a little bit of an off red look, and then with the black and the iridescent blue on the back, that bait really pops. So again, just a white base coat of sealer white, covered it with Autoborn transparent orange, just an old school transparent red on the top half, and a little bit down into the belly. Then we used an Autoborn black, any kind of black work for our crawl markings. We dusted the lure with iridescent red, and then the very top of the bait dusted with an iridescent electric blue. So that's our colors. That's the lineup. Hope you guys enjoyed the pattern. It is a very effective pattern. I like the reds and oranges on my lakes in the winter, but obviously this is a known great spring pattern. So stick around to the end. If you like the video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Please leave comments. Enjoy reading the comments about what you guys think. Something different here on this particular cross stencil that we've used. Tell me what you think of that, as opposed to the many other patterns that I've done. And until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.